Innovation Award winners, and for good reason. It's clear to see when you look around the Bolton facility of Philadelphia Scientific.
We've been developing and manufacturing products that help make industrial batteries perform better and last longer for about 40 years now this September. So we know if batteries are maintained properly and used as they are supposed to be, they perform better. So our products help make this possible. Typically, customers using our technologies tend to see an improvement in performance by about 25 to 40%.
The trends will inevitably change as battery technology matures, but what's Philadelphia seeing in the market at the moment?
Being in batteries used to be boring. But with the emerging interest in renewables and energy and everything, now everyone's is aware of batteries and their importance in many sectors. In our sector, there's been a recent push into lithium batteries, which are great in some aspects because they've got fantastic energy density and they can be charged very quickly. But there's problems with that in the fact that they're very expensive and the fact that they're not really very recyclable. So people have been looking for alternatives, which is making the traditional lead-acid batteries that are well recyclable better. And our products help us make those batteries applicable to new markets.
Batteries are widespread within manufacturing and will continue to be so for years to come. So the company is priming itself to be on the cutting edge of quality.
Like it or not, batteries are going to be part of a decarbonization strategy for everybody. It's going to be essential, and what we want to do is we want to make sure that those batteries that are out there perform as well as they can do. So what we want to do is we want to have our monitoring technology on basically every industrial battery out there to make sure that they get the best performance, the best life they can. Now, on a environmental point, that's going to help reduce the number of batteries that are needed and help them last longer, which is good. And obviously from a manufacturing perspective, that means more products being made here, more jobs, and more innovation.